Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to move columns and rows in Microsoft Excel. This is a handy feature that I myself have only recently learned about. For this I open Excel and here I have a template from Microsoft itself. But as you can see, these columns are swapped because Thursday comes before Wednesday and the dates are swapped as well. How can we change this? To do this, I first select the columns that I want to move. Now I move the mouse to one of the outer lines until the cursor shows these 4 arrows. Now I move the column to any place I want and release the mouse. The problem is that this only works if there's no data in the new area. Otherwise the data will be overwritten and we don't want that. Because now you can see Thursday is now in the right spot, but our Wednesday got lost. Therefore, we go back one step and select the columns again. We move the mouse to the outer line again. But the trick now is that we press the Shift key before clicking. And if we now move the columns and put them there, Excel will automatically make new space for them without overriding any data. We see that Wednesday now comes before Thursday, and that's the way it's supposed to be. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!